Hey there, finance brothers and bros. Welcome back to Finance Bro TV. And today we're diving into part 2 of our series on how to create a budget. In this episode, we're talking about one of the most crucial steps in budgeting, setting financial goals. Let's get into it. Alright, so why are financial goals important? Well, think of financial goals as the destinations on your financial roadmap. Without goals, you're just driving around aimlessly. Goals give you direction, purpose, and motivation. They help you focus on what's truly important and keep you on track to achieve your dreams. Setting financial goals isn't just about dreaming big. It's about creating a concrete plan to turn those dreams into reality. Goals help you prioritize your spending, saving, and investing. They provide a clear target to aim for and measure your progress against. Without goals, it's easy to get off track and lose sight of what you're working towards. Now, let's talk about the types of financial goals. Generally, we can break them down into the categories, short-term and long-term goals. Both are essential for a well-rounded financial plan. Short-term goals are things you want to achieve within the next year or so. They're usually smaller and more immediate. Examples include building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, paying off a small debt, or buying new furniture. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are things you want to achieve over several years. These are your big-ticket items and require more planning and saving. Examples include saving for retirement, buying a home, funding your children's education, or starting a business. Let's look at a few examples in more detail. Suppose you want to build an emergency fund. This is a short-term goal. Start by setting a target amount, say $1,000. Determine how much you can set aside each month and make it a priority in your budget. Once you hit that target, you can increase it to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. For long-term goals, let's say you want to buy a house. First, you need to decide how much you need for a down payment. Let's go with $20,000, then break it down into smaller, manageable steps. If you plan to buy the house in 5 years, you'll need to save $4,000 a year, which is about $333 a month. Include this amount in your budget and track your progress. Another important aspect of goal setting is making sure your goals are SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework helps you create clear and actionable goals. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, say I want to save $5,000 for a vacation by next December. This way, you have a clear target and a deadline. So, to recap, setting financial goals is crucial because they give you direction, purpose, and motivation. Short-term goals help you achieve immediate objectives, while long-term goals keep you focused on your big dreams. Remember to make your goals SMART for the best results. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Finance Bro TV, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next part of our budgeting series. Drop a comment below with your financial goals. I'd love to hear what you're working towards. Thanks for watching, and remember, set your goals high and crush them. Peace out.